I'm Jenny, and I'm here to guide you through a simple method to embed Google reviews into your WIX website. We're going to create this slider widget, which displays your latest Google reviews. Create a Trust Index account. You can find the link in the description. As a first step, connect your Google Business profile to Trust Index so we can download and keep your reviews up to date. Click the Connect button. The Google reviews have been downloaded. Now let's create a widget. Choose from a variety of widget layouts, badge, grid, list, slider, and more. Just pick the one that best fits your needs. I'm choosing one of the most popular widgets, the slider with a header. Choose a style, and in the next step, you can fine-tune the widget settings in the editor. I'm giving the widget a name, and then I'll set it to display only positive reviews. You can translate all reviews into one language. In the card format section, set the view text setting to scroll. In the navigation section, set the arrow setting to show. In the style section, you'll find even more customization options. Once you're done, click the Save and Get Code button. Click the Copy button to copy the widget embed code to the clipboard. Now let's go and embed the widget into the WIX editor. Find and add the embed HTML code element. Insert the widget embed code between two div elements. First, position the element correctly in desktop view, then do the same for mobile view. If you're satisfied with the layout, go ahead and publish the page. Let's go check out the end result. The widget will appear on the website. This is how easily you can embed your Google reviews. Create a Trust Index account and build your own widget now. You'll find the link in the description below.